everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you guys the updated quick settings menu that's a part of Samsung One UI 3.0 with Android 11 versus Android 10's Samsung One UI 2.5. So you can see that a lot of things has been moved, and there's actually a few important changes also inside of these settings down over here. So first off, taking a look at the time, you can see that it simply moved from this top left area over right smack dab into the middle. Then these little small areas that some people might just completely miss, and it's also on the very bottom of your phone, so you might not even use it. They put it up front and center again, so you got your devices and your media. So this way, if you connect to any of your devices via SmartThings, or you can take a look at your media if you're connected to different Bluetooth devices, you can switch it from that Bluetooth speaker or your car into just the cell phone itself. Then right after that, you can see that the search, the power menu, settings, and more was right here, but now they placed it on the very top. So I feel like this right here just looks super clean. This one just kind of looks like it's all over the place. This one is lined up on the right-hand side, the middle, and then everything else right here is just up front and center, and then nothing random on the bottom. So I do like that the Samsung One UI 3.0 just looks a lot more clean. And once you do get this update, or even when you get your phone out of the box, just make sure you go inside of here and you edit all of these different buttons, because you're going to have a couple of them that are hidden, and some of these are also with Android 11. So you got your live caption, you also got your nearby share. Those are also part of Android 10 as well, but just make sure that you want to swipe them down here if you want to add them in. Now this one up over here was one that was called button order. Now this one, they switched it to edit buttons. So it's kind of, you know, it's almost the same thing, but a little change with the words. So now that you've done those right there, now this next bit of information is actually quite important, and it's dealing with this option here of power mode. Now, when you were having the option of choosing a different power mode, you had 4 options, but in order for you to change into one of those, you had to go into this screen first. So you have your high performance, optimized, medium power saving, and maximum power saving. Now, this phone is already in that optimized form. Now you have your 3 options here. So if you wanted to go to that medium power saving, just go to power saving mode. So it's actually just one button press away instead of going into a screen and then choosing the option. Your minimum battery use is basically the same as your maximum power saving. Then that enhanced processing, that just means you're going into high performance. So your phone out of the box is already in optimized. And then now you'd be able to choose just one little button. So it's going to be this quick. When you pull this down, you want to go inside of power saving mode. Boom, you're in there and done. Now, in order for you to do a power saving mode with this one, you would have to go inside of this menu, which is usually a press and hold with the icon, and then you're able to choose medium power saving. And then you make your changes and things like that. So I kind of like that they put it all individualized, and then you just simply tap it again, and then now you're right back inside of the optimal or the optimized option. Now that's really pretty much all about it for the quick settings. You can also see that everything is kind of shifted down. So Samsung One UI was really made to have it being easy to use with one thumb. So now that they put the time, in the middle, they brought this area, they kind of extended it. They made it easy to hit your thumb still with these 2 options, but now everything is just closer to where you're actually easy, to click any of those options with just the reach of the thumb. With this one here, it's still actually pretty tall. So again, I'm a big fan of this 3.0. They're doing a really good job. I just wanted to show you the updated menu whenever the newer update does come out. It seems like this one will be opening up for beta, for the public beta of Samsung One UI 3.0, probably sometime this week. And then they'll use that for about 2 months, maybe in early December, late November. Then it'll be pushed out to everybody. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.